Number one complaint we hear from end users, passwords. Number one complaint we hear from IT staff, passwords. Nobody's happy with it. The problem is, you probably haven't been taught how to make a good password. Now, before we talk about making a good password, let's talk about what is a good password. A good password is not a jumble of random numbers and characters thrown together and smashed up, something that makes no sense to anybody. Why? Because you're going to forget it. You're going to have to write it down, and it's hard to type. You can't remember it. What's a good password? Well, first of all, a long password. But long is hard. It doesn't have to be. It can actually be pretty easy. You know, it could be a sentence. In fact, most modern operating systems and applications will allow you to even put a space in. So if you have a favorite quote, or a favorite scripture, or just some weird phrase like "my dog likes pink bunnies," or something strange that's easy to remember, use that. Go ahead and type the thing, capitalize the first letter, and put punctuation at the end, and then all of a sudden it's complex. It's got uppercase, lowercase, special characters with the space, and even punctuation at the end. Throw a number in there, misspell a word, mix it up. Make it something like "passwords really suck." Now don't use that, because, well, then people might be able to guess it, but you can figure this out on your own, and frankly, then you'll have a nice long password. It'll be easy to remember, you won't have to write it down, and, well, our calculations show that a password at 14 characters would take about 373 days to crack. A password at 15 characters, over 2,700 days to crack. Go out to 16 characters and, well, the sky's the limit. The farther you go, the bigger it gets, the longer it takes, and that's the point of a password. Make it hard enough to guess until, well, frankly, you've already changed it. So that 90 days, you think up a new phrase, you get a new quote, you change it a little bit, and then you're ready to go. At Rook, we're committed to delivering what matters. You can read more about this and find our password calculator, the Insight section of our blog at rookconsulting.com.